come from Africa. It's not about what about cleanliness, but it's all about knowledge. People, they underrate African people.
Yeah.
I respect the legend like Bob Marley. Cecil Kalonje, Capleton, and Mark Minox also.
Yeah.
Whatever we're going to dramatize, we are going to send it to Canada.
Yeah.
Because Silverstone is going to stand again.
Yeah.
Yes, our machine is not going down. But I'm standing as young generation.
Yeah.
With 20 generation. One in Fana. Agatisa. The Clinton. Agatisa. Urenje. Bango. We are Bango to the world. The fullest. It's over, my world.
Yeah.
It's over, Magnino.
It's over.
It's over. For the meantime, they hear our message. We send that message so that they can talk. Okay, there is something. What I'm going to say for two. When I say two, it's 2022.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.